Hey guys, on to another build. I should have done this video a little while ago. I didn't think I was going to get this far. But with the shutdown and all that, I guess I had a lot more time on my hands than I thought I did. So, it's quite a ways done. And I think I've only been working on this for maybe a day and a half. And it's going together real well. And I was able to put some more detail in it than I normally do. So in the back I have the well, let me pull it out of the garage and show you. So in the back I have a fuel cell. I made it on my 3D printer, and I got two gas lines going to it, and then a drain line, or so a return line. It's got the shifter and the steering wheel and detailed dash. Got the tack on there. I still got to do a little bit of painting on it, but it's just hanging in there. See if I can get a nice detailed shot of the seats. I weathered and dry brushed the seats. Brought out all the stitching that was in the mold, so them look pretty cool. So that's where I'm at on the interior. Here's the engine. It's got two 4-barrel carbs. I did some cable linkage, throttle linkage, and I got two fuel lines going to it. I did not wire this one. I actually really wanted to wire it, but you have to have the engine in place to put these headers in. And if I would have did that, I would never have been able to put those headers in, because I would have had to put the spark plugs in right where those are at. And I didn't want that nightmare, so I just didn't do it. But there's the engine. And you're probably wondering, what is this car? I haven't told you. It is the AMC Gremlin 76. So it's going to be the drag version. So I got the valve stems on this one too. You can see that one on the top. It's very easy to do. I think I'll probably start doing that from here on out. That's how I got the throttle linkage going. I just cut it on the firewall. And here's the bottom. Got a Fram oil filler in it. Give it that nice AMC blue color. I had some paint that was that color. I did a dry brush on it. You can't see it. The light's actually washing it out. Oh. And I haven't been able to do a good enough wash on it yet. So far it's going together well. It's a nice, not too many piece kit. Back in the garage. For the paint scheme, there's the hood. So let's get the blue and white going. And for the body, it's still curing. So that's the body. Still masked off, but it's going on there quite nice. So down the dead center, you can kind of see it through the tape. There's a blue stripe on there. There's a white on both sides. The back is white, and in that area that's black or the other tone. This area here, that's blue as well. So it's going to be red, white, and blue like a lot of the AMCs are. A lot of masking on this, but So far it's been doing good. So once this cures, which it probably already is because I used the 1-coat lacquer, once this cures I will be able to hit it lightly with the wet sand on. Probably the only seam I'm going to have to do is right there because all this is a recess. I'll hit that lightly with the wet sand and put some decals on it and give it a clear coat. But this thing's been going together so well that I didn't give an early update on it, but here it is now. Probably be only a 2-video model, but that's what's in the garage right now. I got to get working on the garage as well. I gotta mask the windows. I have some posters and stuff that I want to put up. So the other day I printed off some things off the internet that I thought would be pretty cool, and I'm not going to put them all in here, but I'll probably end up putting some in other dioramas. But let me get this back in a safe spot. I did print some of these off. So I got my logo, different sizes so I can make some posters. I got Clay Smith cams. I've always liked those. Mr. Horsepower. Got some moon eyes. They're always really cool. Another one of mine. Another Clay Smith, and then I got some Mopar logos. Let's see, zoom in. So got those. And I saw this picture had a bunch of those. There's a few of them in there I can actually use. Some of them have some stuff in front of them. Got old Rat Fink there. Got some license plates. This one's pretty cool. It's got Rat Fink and Moon Eye. Got some Chevy symbols. Pennzoil. So I'll be putting that up in there. Zoom out on this one. These are pretty big. Some vintage signs. And another vintage signs. So I gotta cut them out. I'll probably Mod Podge them to cardstock to give them a little bit of strength. That way I can just post them up on the walls. Make the shop look more official. But I gotta get the darn window and door done. They did it in clear, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of masking on that. So I've been slowed down on that. Plus I wanted to do some builds. I'm sure I'll get to it. But that's what's going on here. And then for the next build, I think I'm gonna be starting a new one soon because there ain't a whole lot I can do on this Gremlin with the body curing and all that. So I'll be back with the next one here shortly. So everybody take good care of yourself. Enjoy the time we do have off. I know a lot of people have mixed feelings on it, but you always gotta look at the bright side. At least you got your health, and at least you're doing something to keep it that way. But until next time, guys, I'll talk to you then. Bye.